What's going on, guys? So we're halfway through the new jump build. It's kind of hard to see. It's a bit smaller than that one over there. Shout out to Cab the Crab for helping us make a pretty sick jump. His link will be in the description and go check him out. Alright guys, we've finished the jump. Landing's made, everything's good. It's about a 6-7 foot gap. It's a little bit hard to see because it's on camera, but now we got 2 decent jumps here. So we'll have a few test runs and yeah, let's do it. Hey, what's going on, guys? It's been a couple days since the last clip you just seen. It started raining a lot the last couple of days, but we're back and we're gonna see how we go hitting these jumps. So they've compacted a little bit better than we thought. We thought they were gonna be destroyed by the rain, but we'll give them a bit of a go and yeah, let's do it.